Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Dolan, and today is my first day at Hyadi SRT team, so let's see what they have been doing here.
Hi.
Hello. Wow, this is the Hyadi headquarters right in here. How are you doing?
Fine, thanks, and you?
Hello. How you doing? What's up? Whoa, this is amazing.
Hi, go in.
Whoa, cannot believe it. Amazing. I'm speechless. I don't know what else to say.
Let's have a conversation.
We are highly known for unity and fellowship. To achieve it and keep it that way, we have introduced games both in virtual parties and in our launch in the workshop. Also, last Christmas, our former leader had the idea of contacting our families in order to surprise us with an emotive video where they say how proud they were of us working on this groundbreaking project. Most recently, we decided to congratulate our team members on their birthdays by posting a picture of them on our social media. And something that definitely boosts our morale is wearing our own merch. Here.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Look, guys.
Agus.
¿Ya nos vamos?
Igual por equipo.
¡Ay, perro! ¡Ese espíritu!
So today has been a great day, so let's see if the other guys are ready now to get to know them. I don't think so. What are you doing?
Hello, Dolan. I'm working on something that we are going to post in Instagram.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. As you know, social media is something that we use every day because it's really helpful to the team because it keeps us in touch with our followers.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you saw the 24-hour challenge that we had.
Yeah, I did so. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was something that we wanted to do because we thought that we could interact with our followers.
Yeah, and I saw that you were dancing, right?
Yeah,
Like at 3 a.m. or something.
sort of. But yeah, it was kind of fun.
It was funny, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what about working with other solar racing teams?
There was a time when we were invited to the ESBC 3000,
Mm-hmm.
and we had a virtual meeting with the organizers, and it was fun. We had to talk in English as well.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Your English is good, you know?
Oh, thank you. Oh, and let us not forget Reddit participation with the solar racing
Community?
community.
Mhm.
Yeah. There we publish things about the solar cars and we can
Share knowledge.
share knowledge.
Right.
Yeah,
I like that.
yeah, it's cool.
Pretty cool.
Well,
Well,
and that's what I'm doing, man.
well, goodbye.
To meet this our car community, we upload our renders to our social media. We know that our car has a unique shape and flamboyant colors.
Oh! Wait a minute. I thought it was bigger.
But bro, if you want to see the biggest version, you must work hard as a team.
Oh, I will work hard. I promise, Chief.
By introducing our initiatives, we believe that each member gets to feel confident enough to share their ideas. We know that no one is better than anyone and every opinion matters. And most importantly, we feel a sense of belonging.
And what about the public feedback?
Well, our public sometimes share negative comments. However, the good ones are always there, motivating us to continue working on this project. Also, being recognized in India and Taiwan has been one big achievement.
And what have been the results of these initiatives?
The initiatives have resulted in everyone feeling comfortable participating, and which has allowed us to be more creative as a team and being outside the box thinkers. This has led us, for example, to have unique social media accounts and more effective teamwork, both online and at the workshops.
What about the ups and downs in this project?
As you may know, nothing is perfect, not even me. But some members are reluctant to have some fun together and barely participate in any of the activities. Notwithstanding, we have gotten to know them to the point that we see ourselves as a big family.
That's heartwarming.
Next time, we will work on integrating an inner rewarding system that allows raising the participation of all team members. Like, for example, just giving them one of these cups, beautiful cups. And also, we need more of those continuous meetings to just socialize, have fun, and get to know each other and just relax. After all, we're just students. So, are you in?